Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be trying to follow a Kylie Jenner tutorial that she did with Vogue magazine. I did a tutorial like this a couple of weeks ago and y'all really liked it, so I thought I would try another one. I probably won't have the product she used, but that's okay. I'm just going to play with whatever I have, and yeah, let's get started. I'm going to actually plug in headphones this time because last time it was really hard to edit and I felt like I was shouting over Sinead, so this time it's going to make it a little bit easier to edit, I hope.
Hey guys, it's Kylie.
Hi guys.
Who doesn't know, I am about to show you guys how I beat.
Who wouldn't know that that was Kylie Jenner? Like, you'd have to be living in freaking Mars to not know who Kylie Jenner is.
And put chapstick on.
I have my lip gloss on, we're all good. Okay, so we're starting with brows.
Conceal right underneath to shape the brow, and then
You do you, boo. Okay,
lid.
this is completely backwards. In the last video I started off with my face first, I did my eyes, and that was weird for me, and now I am starting with my brows, so this is interesting. Kylie's brows are usually quite rounded on top, but in this video they seem a little bit more arched, so I'm just going to follow the same shape as my brows. She used a pencil, I don't know what pencil she used, it could be her own, but I'm just going to use a powder for today. I actually like the way Kylie does her brows first before her eyes. It actually makes a lot of sense because sometimes when I fill in my brows it's hard to kind of clean up with a bit of concealer because I already have my eye makeup done. So I actually like this technique of doing your brows before your eyes so I can create a more defined shape and kind of clean up my brow powder that little bit more. So there you have it. Blank Canvas Cosmetics, and I'm just going to blend that into the crease like she did, just back and forth. And just kind of blend out that colour, almost like contouring your lid.
My new favorite gold shade.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect for the summer.
That is so
and I'm gonna just take it on my finger because I feel like that just works best sometimes. It's like
I needed gold with copper. So I have one from this Urban Decay palette which looks like this, and I also have the Makeup Geek pigment in Vegas Lights. It's kind of a coppery gold. So I'm going to go with the eyeshadow first and then I can top it up with the pigment because pigment is going to be a little bit messy. So I'm just going to try the eyeshadow first. I think maybe the electric palette. I've got a bright orange in here. We're just going to go with that and just hope to God that this works out.
I found these Marc Jacobs Fantasy Dewdrops and I'm kind of obsessed. 1 squirt of this. I do have a tan right now, so I'm gonna do.
Aha! Okay. I am not going to fail at this tutorial, okay? So we're going to use the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector.
I know it looks like I'm putting like loads on, but I blend it out really good so that it doesn't look too heavy. And then I always take it down to my neck. Always let me wear makeup. It was my dad that didn't really want me to wear makeup, but my mom always let me be creatively wild.
It's so funny that she says that about her dad not allowing her to wear makeup, because I was the exact same when I was growing up. Like, my mom never wore makeup, like, ever, so I don't know where I got my love and passion for makeup from, because she never wore like a scrap of makeup in her life. And my dad was like totally against makeup. He was like, you don't need makeup, you're beautiful without it. And I'm like, yeah, but I just love it. And even when I went on to college to study beauty, I remember sitting in my room and I had just bought my first laptop. I used to stay up to like 5 o'clock in the morning watching makeup tutorials on YouTube. Like, me and my mom are like super close. We're like this, like, she's my best friend, but we're so different. Like, she's still, even to this day, she'd never ever wear makeup. I'd be giving her makeup, I'd buy her brow products, I'd buy her mascara, and she's kind of like, what am I going to do with this? So I'm just going to use the Balm setting powder. I have actually never tried Kim Kardashian's makeup range. Have any of you guys tried it? If you have, let me know, because I'd like your feedback on some of her products, because what I want to start doing on my channel is trying out some brand new makeup products, just like testing out loads of different makeup, because that's what I used to love doing. I'm just going to go in with MAC's Give Me Sun.
And I'm I'm just gonna go right under my cheekbone.
Create that shadow because she has actual real kind of a defined contour and I didn't, so I need more of that.
I can't do my makeup without baking. I think it really does help. And for anyone who doesn't know what it is, baking actually, like, it's like the powder is like soaking in to your skin and leaving like a residue of color. So I'm like trying to make this lighter here.
Bless her, she's trying. She knows what she's talking about, but she doesn't know how to
I'm gonna leave this for like the
explain
rest of
it.
my makeup.
Girl, you need to slow down because I'm still baking.
I think I can do it with my eyes closed. I do pretty much color my whole lip with lip liner. I think I can do it with my eyes closed. Pretty good. It was actually a funny story. My mom did her lip liner in the car real quick.
When she first launched her lip kits, I wanted to be one of the first to support her because I think she's such an amazing businesswoman. You know, she stepped outside her comfort zone. I didn't realize that was the reason behind Kylie Cosmetics, but I just wanted to support her doing something different and stepping out of her comfort zone. And I love the idea that you could get a lip liner and a lipstick together in one packet because it's so hard to find the perfect lip liner for a lipstick. Fair play to you, girl. Fair feckin' play to ya. I've just lined my lips with the Urban Decay lip liner. I'm going to go with Beeper from the Colour Pop line just because I haven't used this lipstick in so long and I think it's quite close to the colour she's using. So I'm just going to go with it. I actually forget what these lipsticks feel like. I remember doing a review on them. I can't remember how I felt about them. Okay, so my lipstick is now dried and it actually looks nothing like what she applied. So I'm gonna go in with her gloss So Cute, which is actually like really light nude, and hopefully this is gonna lighten my lipstick a little bit so it's gonna look a little bit closer to hers. Oh Lord, I feel like this is gonna be a disaster
for everybody, but it just makes me like just feel amazing. Drowning in blush right now, but it just makes me feel like my whole look is complete. And then I just, so you kind of drench it and you get a little scared at first because you're like, did I ruin my makeup? But then once it dries, it looks way better.
I'm back. So I put on the lashes and now I feel like my look is complete. I am aware that my lip colour is totally off. When she was putting on the liner it looked a lot deeper than the lipstick, but I don't know, I kind of like it. So yeah, I hope you like my version of Kylie's look. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then do let me know. They're actually really fun to film and I like having the chats with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!